Hello everyone, my name is Julia. I'm 7 years old. Today I talk about animals. The animal world is very dispersed and they fall into 3 different groups based upon what they eat. There is a natural way to group the animals. It's very simple. Meat eaters are carnivores. Plant eaters are herbivores. And animals that eat both plants and meat are omnivores. In last video, I talked about carnivores. Right? Do you remember it? There are 3 types of carnivores, like land carnivores, aquatic carnivores, and flying carnivores. Land carnivores like wolf, cheetah, or lion too. Aquatic carnivores like shark, alligator, and flying carnivores like eagles or owl, right? And today I will talk about herbivores and omnivores. So the first I talk about herbivores. So what are herbivores? Do you know? Herbivores are animals that eat only plants such as fruit, vegetables, seeds, grasses, or roots too. Or leaves of a tree too. Right? Okay. They are called plant eaters. They are herbivorous animals. Herbivorous animals have strong and flat teeth that are made from greening leaves and seeds. Did you know that most herbivores have eyes located at the side of their head? This is for them to have a wider range of vision. They can see almost all around their body without moving their head. Most of them have large ears, which helps them to hear even loud follow noises, that making them avoid predators. Now, do you know some examples of herbivores? Okay, let me tell you some of them. Cow, horse, giraffe, goats, elephants, and deer. These animals eat grasses, nuts, flowers, and white fruits or leaves too. Now I will talk about omnivores. So, what are omnivores? Do you know? Oh, omnivores are animals that eat both plants and meat. They are called plant meat eaters. They are omnivorous animals. Okay? So, omnivores often have long, sharp, pointed teeth to rip and cut the meat and flash molars to crush plant material. Okay. Now I have some example for you. Like pigs. Oink, oink. Pigs, they eat fish or fruits. Pig can eat fruits too. Ostrich, okay? Ostrich, they eat little creatures like lizard or mouse. Okay? Okay, so now it's a very lovely animal. It's chipmunk. They eat seeds and fruits. They also eat smaller birds too. Or they can eat anything else, right? And chicken. They eat grains, worms, and insects. Okay. So, especially humans. Humans are omnivores too. Oh yes, we are omnivores. We eat everything that can eat. Like we eat fruits, vegetables, milk, eggs, cooked meat of animals. So I talk about herbivores and omnivores. And in last video, I talked about carnivores, right? So, can you answer for me these questions? The first question, later I will another question is, what are the differences between carnivores, herbivores, and omnivores? Can you answer it? Oh, very good. I have another answer. Yes. Carnivores are meat eaters. Meat eaters are the animals that eat meat. So herbivores are called plant eaters. They are herbivorous animals and they eat all the plants, all the leaves or anything on the plants. And the last one, omnivores. They are omnivorous animals. They eat meat and plants too. They are called plant meat eaters. So, the last question for you. This question is a little bit difficult. Now you listen. Should animal be kept at the zoo and why? I think the animal have to live in their nature is better. Why? Because when the animals live in their natures, they can do anything that they like. They can run, they can hop, or they can play with their family, they can move their skills, they can do everything that they like. But when in the zoo, the animal has to live in the cage, right? So, especially in one cage, there is not only have one animal in the cage, in one cage. There are many animals in the cage. So, it's become a very small cage and they cannot do anything that they like. They cannot run, they cannot hop, they cannot play, they cannot move their skills, right? They cannot do anything. So, and in the nature, it will be better. But sometimes when they're in the nature, sometimes they will be hurt or sick. Some other animals and they will die. Okay, and the zookeeper will take that animals in the zoo. So the zookeeper will take care of them. And the zookeeper will take care of them, and that animal will lay eggs on the babies. And when that animal's very old, they will die, right? And then the babies and the eggs was coming. And there are many animals, right? Many kind of animals like that. So I think when the animals live in their nature, it will be better. Okay? So thank you for listening and watching. Hope you like my video.